Curiosity saying, I booked my bearish credits for on Nifty yesterday with 60% profit because of market coming back to VWAP again in the afternoon, and buyer successfully takes out VWAP and closes high. If I had waited till my adjustment level, I would have made some more. What do you think of this? I have a feeling that risk of short is increasing and it might gap up again. You got out here. I believe you were on Nifty, yeah, right. So you got out here and it was a good decision. All right, it was a good decision, because how can you tell whether market is going to go higher or lower at this point? Okay? If you look at intraday trends, it looks like it is going to go higher. If you look at the overall context, it looks like it is going to go lower. So there is a lot of ambiguity here. Now, credit spreads have that inbuilt protection of lot of space between your short strike and the current market price. All right, so despite market going against you, you had 60% profits. I mean, not 60% returns, but whatever profit you are going to make out of that, 60% were still available in the position. All right, and you booked them, and I say good decision. All right, why would you want to make all the money on just one trade? Right, you are making 60% of the profit. So let's say you are going to make 1000 rupees, so you are making 600 out of it, and you take this profit. Okay, you lose on 400 rupees, that is all right, but then what is the risk? Let's say market gaps up and goes higher, and this 60 then goes down to 15, then it becomes very difficult for you to even book this 15% profit. Then you will start justifying, no, let me wait, let me see if this is taken out, that is taken out, and you will then play with the position and you will ruin it. All right, so you booked your 60% profit. I am actually proud of you. That is a very good decision that you took. Right, you booked your profits. You accepted the fact that you don't know what the market is going to do. It looks like it might go against my position. Fine, you book your profits, you make money, you go home happy. See, okay, 400 rupees less, but still you took 600 home, and that is always a win. Right, and then yeah, okay, risk of being short is getting higher. Some sort of exhaustion is observed here also on bank nifty. Some exhaustion is apparent, although I would not comment so early, because there is a lot of trading left in today's day and it can still fall. Not commenting on that yet, but yeah, if by today's trading end we are not able to take this reference out and we end up something like this, then I will say that yes, there is some exhaustion. Right, so we might test and fail, or we might straight away give some sort of inventory adjustment rally, and then we will monitor how far it goes, what references it scales, and then we'll decide whether it's an inventory adjustment rally or a fresh up move, or it will go much higher than an inventory adjustment rally would. All those kinds of things we will then decide. Right, so good job, you booked your position. There is absolutely nothing wrong with it. Yeah, you might feel the pain because now you would have made all the money because markets have gone lower, but that is not the point where you are making a decision. All right, you need to understand, you were trying to make a decision here, not here. This whole price action was not available to you. All you had was a very overextended down day followed by an up day with close at the highs. That is a very difficult situation to be in, and the decision you took, I completely agree with it and I support it. Right, because it was impossible to tell whether market was going higher or lower at this point. At least for me, with using everything in the CTF, I would still not be, I mean, I would not even bother. Right, I can go and I can dig deep into the CTF and this pattern, that this structural development and this context observation, cognitive dissonance, this, and at the end of the day, what is our objective? Our objective is not to catch the highs and lows, not to predict where the price is going to go next. Our objective is very, very simple. Take money out of the markets. If you are able to take out, say, 600 out of 1000 max you can take out, and the situation is uncertain, you grab that 600, you come back next week and take a better trade. Make sense? That is the best thing you can do. That is the best thing you can do. You do not have to worry too much about it. If it seems like it can hurt your account, it can take your profits back, you get out of your trade and come back the next day, next week to fight again. As simple as that.